What's the meaning of bull mastiff? Bull mastiff. Bull mastiff.
Bull mastiff. Bull mastiff. The bull mastiff is a large dog breed that originated in England in the 19th century. It was originally bred to guard estates against poachers and intruders. This breed is a cross between the English Mastiff and the Old English Bulldog, resulting in a powerful and muscular dog weighing up to 130 pounds, 59 kilograms. The Bull Mastiff is known for its loyal and protective nature, making it an excellent family companion and guard dog. Its short coat requires minimal grooming, but regular exercise is important to maintain its health and vitality. Overall, the Bull Mastiff is a formidable and impressive breed of dog.